Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to take a quick moment to speak to all of my amazing subscribers. Lately, I've been receiving some comments about my upload frequency, and it appears a large portion of you are not being alerted that I have new content up on the channel. I did some research, and when looking into it and speaking to some of my subscribers, I found that for a large portion of you, well, you're simply just not being shown that I have a new video live. The reason has to do with your notification settings on YouTube. If you don't have all notifications and YouTube notifications enabled, then you may not see that I've uploaded at all. In fact, some of you recently messaged me asking why I haven't uploaded in months. And upon directing those people to my videos, they soon realized that, wow, they've missed a lot of my most recent content. This would also explain why my videos are getting less views than they were months ago when I had half the subscriber base. YouTube continues to make changes to the algorithm and how you're alerted, and to put it simply, a lot of you just are not being alerted when I upload. I've included a quick little video to show you how to enable notifications. To put it simply, us YouTubers are always pushing for people to subscribe, but it turns out subscribing simply isn't enough anymore. You can miss a ton of new content if you don't have your notifications set accordingly. As you see in my analytics here, only 2.2 thousand of my 26,000 subscribers are being properly alerted. The other 24,000 or so of you could be missing almost every new upload I put out. So if you want to make sure you never miss a new upload, follow the steps I laid out to turn on notifications, and remember to check back on the channel weekly as I try to have multiple new videos up every single week. So that's really all I wanted to talk about in this video. I found it really bizarre lately that a lot of people haven't been seeing my uploads, and it finally got to a point where I said, man, I need to look into this further. So thank you all for watching. I will include a reminder in all my videos moving forward, and I appreciate each and every one of you for supporting the channel. On that note, I will see you all back in the cellar real soon.